All right. This is Joshua's birthday party, and we are having a donut eating contest. The children have their hands behind their back, and we're seeing who's going to be the first one to get all these donuts down. All right, let's see. Who's in the lead right now? How many donuts does Joshua have left over there?
Joshua has 3 donuts left.
Okay.
Joshua has 3 donuts left.
All right.
Wow. Max has 3 donuts left.
Lewis is our donut contest commentator.
Up, Chuck, let's go, let's go.
No throwing up in my kitchen. Oh, I wish I would have got Joshua on that one. All right.
Hey, he's just gulping them things.
How we doing?
Josh has 1 donut. You dropped part of your donut.
Okay.
I have one left too.
Josh just put the last one in his
Oh, let's see if he gets it down. Let's see if he gets it down.
Max,
Don't give up, you guys.
Go.
Come on, Max.
Swallow it. Who's gonna swallow it?
Who's gonna swallow it?
Max.
Josh or Max?
Josh got the last
Josh or
one, too.
Max? Josh or Max?
I need to see a clean mouth.
Keep eating.
Clean mouth, clean mouth, clean mouth, clean mouth.
Chew. Swallow.
Finish it, Josh.
Josh is catching up.
He's finished.
Is Joshua's mouth clean?
Yeah, he's
Ah! Woo! Max, are you in second place? Max in second place?
Max or Josh?
Or Josh? Oh,
Max
which?
and Josh.
Which?
Josh,
done?
Max, you done.
Yeah, oh, do you want me to like lick my mouth or?
All right.
It was pretty close.
Yeah, I think between those two, yeah.
All right.